Good morning, students. In this video, we'll see the Chomsky normal form of the context-free grammar. Normal forms of context-free grammar. Any context-free grammar can be represented into two normal forms. First one is the Chomsky normal form, and another one is the Greenberg normal form. Today, we will see about the Chomsky normal form and how to convert a given context-free grammar into the Chomsky normal form. If the grammar is said to be a Chomsky normal form, if all the productions are in the form of A tends to BC or A tends to A, where A, B, C are the variables and T is the terminal symbol. That is, if you say the grammar is in the Chomsky normal form, then all the productions are in the form of the variable tends to variable. It may be a same variable or the different variable, or the variable tends to terminal. Our aim is to convert all the given productions in this format. We'll see one example. Before doing this Chomsky normal form, first we should simplify the grammar. That is, we should eliminate the useless symbol, the epsilon productions and unit productions. Check the grammar. The useless symbol is there, eliminate it. Epsilon production is there, remove it, and convert the unit production to normal production. After that, we will convert them into a given record format. That is, the variable tends to variable, or the variable tends to terminal. Consider one example, conversion of context-free grammar to Chomsky normal form. Here, this is the given grammar with the productions. S tends to 1A, 0B, A tends to 1AA, 0S, 0, B tends to 0BB, 1S, 1. Here, 0 and 1 are the terminal symbols and A, B are the APS are the variables. First, check whether any useless productions are there. Here, all are useful productions because A derives the terminal, B derives the terminal. Similarly, there is no symbol that is not reachable in the initial state. So here, all are the useful symbols. And check the epsilon production. There is no epsilon productions in this grammar. So no need to eliminate the epsilon production. Similarly, unit production, left hand side and right hand side is the variable, means there is the unit production. There is no unit productions. So we can directly convert it into a Chomsky normal form. As we know, Chomsky normal form, the format is variable tends to variable or variable tends to terminal. First, check what all are the productions that's already in the given format. Do this in a simplest manner. First, write it in a separate production. S tends to 1A, S tends to 0B, A tends to 1AA, A tends to 0S, A tends to 0, B tends to 0BB, B tends to 1S, B tends to 1. Now check what are the productions already in the Chomsky normal form. No need to convert that productions. We move on to the next production. Consider here, this is our syntax. B tends to BB. Nothing is there like this one. Only two variables must be there. B tends to terminal. This one is in the form of B tends to terminal. This is also in the form of B tends to terminal. So we should not bother about these two productions, but we will change all other productions. We should remember one thing, when you are going to replacing, here we are going to replacing the variables or the terminals to convert into the Chomsky normal form. Don't disturb already existing variables. You should not remove or you should not eliminate or you should not substitute the values with the existing thing. You can introduce any number of new variables in this conversion. First, take the first one. This tends to 1A. Here I need variables. Yes, A is the variable, but 1 is not the variable. I need to convert this 1 also. Simply I can replace this 1 by the new variable. I will not use this B tends to 1. I will not disturb all this one. I'm going to replace the new thing, maybe XA. What is X? 1. Here I'm replacing 1 with X. That is written as S tends to XA while X is 1. So this single production can be converted into two productions. Here both productions are in Chomsky normal form, variable, and terminal. This one got over. So this is fine. Now I can check the next production. This is over. Now I'll check the next production. What is the next production? S tends to OB. I'll take that one. S tends to OB. Here also B is the variable. So I need to convert the first one. So convert this with another one new variable. I'll not take A tends to, I'll not disturb the existing one. So I'll include the new thing. I can include Y. Anything, any variable Y. What is that? Y tends to 0. That is, I am replacing this 0 with y. So here YB contains two variables and y tends to 0 contains one terminal. The condition is satisfied. So this is the conversion of OB to the Chomsky normal form. Now this one got over. What's the next one? A tends to 1 AA. A tends to 1 AA. So here 1 means I can write this x for 1 because this is the variable I have introduced. I can take that one. So I'll take x. A tends to x AA. But then also, if I refer this one, this contains three variables. Three variables are there means this is not in the Chomsky normal form. So I'll convert it into two variables. So I can write this as A tends to, instead of XA or AA, I can introduce the new variable. Instead of XA, I'll introduce the new variable Z. Then I will write this at ZA. Instead of this one, because I need only two variables, XA is replaced with Z. What is Z? I have written it says Z. So now two variables are introduced. We check this one. A tends to Z two variables, Z tends to XA two variables. Both are in the Chomsky normal form, so it can be converted like this one. This one got over. And what is the next one? The next production. Take the next production. A tends to OS. So write A tends to OS. Here S is the variable, but O is not the variable. I need the variable to replace. What is the variable we have chosen for 0? Here I have taken, I have taken, we should not take the values from the existing one. Here I have taken Y tends to 0. So I will introduce my variable. This is my variable I have introduced. I can use that YS. What is Y? Y tends to 0. That's already there, no? Y tends to 0 is already there. So no need to write it separately. If you need, you write it, finally we'll eliminate it. So these are the productions related to this one. So A is converted to two variables. And okay, OS we have completed. O is already, 0 is already there. Then we should go for 0 BB. Where take the next production 0 BB. B tends to, our productions are B tends to 0 BB. 0 we know that Y. So I'll write B tends to 0, I'll put Y BB. Then also it contains three variables. So it convert it into two variables. I am replacing the first two variables with another one. Y Z M or N. So M tends to instead of YB, I can place this as B tends to YB can be written as MB. What is M over here? M tends to YB. That is three variables should not be permitted. So I'll convert this two variable into a single variable named M, whatever be the variable, and I'll take the next one. Now these two values are in the Chomsky normal form. This is in Chomsky normal form, two variables, and this is also in Chomsky normal form. Okay, now this one got over. What one is, it's the remaining one, B tends to oneness. So I'll select that one, B tends to oneness. B tends to oneness. I have introduced the variable for it as 1 for x. So I can write this as B tends to x, yes. What is x? X is 1, that is already given. If I need it, I can write that also. So this is in Chomsky normal form and extends to one is also in Chomsky normal form. Now I have converted everything into Chomsky normal form. The important thing is you should take and write the answer separately, final forms, final symbols. What are the things? S tends to 1A. 1A is not in Chomsky normal form. Instead, I convert it into S tends to 1A is converted, where I have converted 1A is converted into XA, comma, X tends to 1. So S is converted into XA, where X tends to 1, right? Then 0B. Where is converted 0B? 0B is converted to YB and Y tends to 0. So that is converted into YB. X tends to YB and Y tends to 0. What is Y here? Y tends to 0. Okay. So then go to the next one. A tends to 1AA. 1AA is converted as ZA, comma XA. So ZA slash XA. Already we have defined the value of XA, comma XA. XA is this. What is Z? Z is XA. So Z should write this Z also. Z tends to XA. Z tends to A tends to ZA. Z tends to XA. So Z tends to XA. Again, 0s, 0s, go and check. A tends to 0s, so it is 0s. 0s is converted to ys and 0. So it is converted into ys and 0. Y tends to 0. Already y tends to 0 is here. We need to define this. Again, 0, already 0, and that 0 also it tends to 0. Then next we should write B. What does B? B tends to 0 B. B. I have converted the 0 B as MB and YB. So write MB and YB. MB, what is M? M is YB. B is MB, where M is equal to YB. Where M is M, where M equal to YB. M equal to Y. Fine. So V tends to oneness. Where is oneness? Here it is oneness is converted to XX, comma X tends to 1. So this is converted to XS. What is X equal to 1? That's already given. Then tends to 1. So final productions are yes, two things that is converted into Chomsky normal form. And then A, 2, 3 productions. This is converted into Chomsky normal form. This is converted into Chomsky normal form. 0 is already in Chomsky normal form. Then B, 0 BB, that is converted into Chomsky normal form. Oneness is converted as XS and oneness already there. So these are the productions, already existing productions. And additionally, I have included Z, Y, M and X. I should write the production for that also. X, Y, Z and M. All the things are included. This here, all the productions are in the Chomsky normal. Thank you.